I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about screed protection. Screed is a necessary material for construction and plays a major part in the process. Its use as preparation for flooring makes it essential since it levels the floor and provides the perfect surface for any floor covering that might be applied above it. Each type of screed has its own particular setting and drying time. Once you have applied the screed, you need to make sure that no one steps on it before it is set. The care needs to be about more than just stepping on it. Screed is generally not a wearing surface and needs to be protected from the point of laying to the point of covering. Hence, you need to take specific screed protection considerations. What are these screed protection considerations? The first consideration that needs to be taken when protecting floor screed is the number of people that might have to walk on the screed. Light traffic is very different to full sight traffic. The surface of the screed should be protected with specialist card plastic screed protection products. Supplied on rolls, they are quick and easy to lay on top of the screed. This form of protection will prevent damage from general sight traffic and keep the screed fresh up to the point of laying floor coverings. Edges and joints in screed are going to be the most vulnerable element and if exposed need to be protected. This can be in the form of boxing of edges with wood or even metal formwork. If not protected, these areas may be subject to damage. Loading of the screed is a vital consideration. At what point does the screed need to take loading? Loading can be in the form of internal walling, access equipment, fittings, and anything that the screed will need to resist. Each screed will have a design strength, and this strength will take a number of days to reach. The project engineer will be able to calculate the screed requirements and the protection requirements to resist the loads. Generally, products such as plyboard is used to spread the load, with different thicknesses used depending on that load. A non-structural screed is not concrete and needs screed protection. Surface traffic, loading, impact damage will damage and break down the screed's matrix without screed protection. There are often repair solutions for this damage, however in some cases the solution may be to remove. Prevention is always better than cure. I hope this helps with your screed protection questions. Do get in touch for more information.